Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is the second day of my day off. And it is now 8:07, 8:08. Yeah. And I'm waiting for Inigo and Erickson. They will come to pick me up for breakfast. But it's already, Inigo said 8 o'clock, but it's alright. I have no plan. This is like my breakfast. I am now ready to go. I will have no backpack. I will have just this cup of this coffee and my phone and this camera. Yeah, I don't know where are we going. Inigo actually asked me to check online for the place to go, but yeah, everything is beautiful around Australia. I mean, everything is beautiful around here in New South Wales. I was looking for Hunter Valley, and yeah, it's just showing the nice, beautiful scenery and vineyards and some other place we've been already. So it's like there's nothing in particular. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are now here in Karuah, and this is my very first time to ride in a car of Erickson. That he is the driver. The last time I ride with his car was when Inigo picked up his car and Inigo was the driver. Now it's Erickson, and we are here in Karuah. This is how it is. There is like a oyster restaurant in there, shop. Yeah, and Karuah is located in this big river, and the entrance of Karuah River is actually in the Nelson Bay. Yeah, the sea that you are seeing in Nelson Bay, that's the mouth of the Karuah River. This Karuah River, we travel here and it's around 1 hour travel. Yeah, there's no so much people at the moment, and it looks like this is still a residential area, those houses. And that is the bridge that we go through to come in here. Most of the bridges in the regional or rural Australia are similar to that one. I used to go through different bridges when I was doing my bike parking. Yeah, and it's like that. And I am now looking for toilet. Yeah, residential area. Those are the houses. Oh, that's the toilet. Nice. Okay, that's a success. 1940 pa? Yeah, this bridge is since 1957. Pang ano yan? Wall climbing?
Ewan ko.
Yeah, what is the purpose of this? Hey, look at that. What is the purpose? Oh, now I understand. Maybe the purpose of that is to trap the plastic, and the water will just keep on going, and yeah, clean water will go to the water. So this is like their foreshore. This is like the Karuah foreshore. It's in front of the water. A water walkway. We're just walking and exploring. And look at this. Yeah, because this is a big river, and they don't have a beach, so they actually created this small small beach. Nice. Amazing. So the kids playground, and at the moment there are two guys there. They are fishing in there. Yun na nga yun. Tama, happy birthday to you. This is their pre-barbecue area. And the same like everywhere here in Port Stephen, you're going to see this warning, the 1.5 meter distancing.
Masisipag yun ang unang tao eh. Pakita mo engraved siya. Engraved.
If you notice this, these are engraved. Yeah.
Ito, pakita mo si Bart Simpson. Do you remember this yan?
There is a Bart. There is a building. There's bridge. There's love letter.
Snake.
Yeah, there's hand, snake. Looks like they are children's art. This fly is like a grasshopper. Oh, fly away.
Nakahawakan to, bro.
Oh my.
Sabi? Hindi. Ano na video, pero ano naman gamit niya?
Changes to bus timetables to better reflect traffic congestion and travel.
And that's the first car park of Ericsson success. And at the moment we are in the marketplace. This is a shopping center here in Raymond Terrace. Raymond Terrace is like the government town of Port Stephens. This is the council of Port Stephens located. There are many people here. This is the usual food shop here for Chinese Asian food. Different selection of this meal. Ganitong model talaga o standard yung ganito?
Sabihin yung model.
Galing ah.
Bukas na eh.
So yeah, at the moment we are here in the Karuah and Raymond. This is the new one. And yeah, he already changed this. He said this is the new one. And it's like a computer. There is browser, there is like a computer. And that's, if you can see that car, that's the other car of Inigo. That's the second one. Yeah. And that one is manual. and he don't like that anymore because he said that there is something like a problem with the mechanism inside, and so he decided to get this new one, and he's going to fix that one and sell. We are now home. It is now already 2:17. Inigo forget this sunglass. Yeah, I'm going to have a coffee. This is going to be my second coffee.